If you want to become a significant listing agent and you don't know where to start to get listings, you're definitely going to want to try the open listing approach. Open listings are easy to get. They're listings without contracts. They're a lot easier to get than exclusive listings, and My State MLS lets you enter them into their MLS. Now, most MLSs do not let you do this, but I'm going to show you how to do it in My State MLS today. When you log into My State MLS as a member, on the top left side, you have a notification bar. And in that notification box, you can click the Open Listing Advertisement. That'll bring you to a page that will tell you how to use open listings, how to make money from them, how to get leads from them, everything you need to know. So what you do is click the Subscribe Now button, and that will complete the process. Once you've finished the subscription process, it's time to go to My State MLS and enter your first listing. Go to the My State MLS wall, click on the Listing tab, click on Add New Listing, select Create Open Listing Advertisement, fill in the property type, whether it's a sale or rental, make sure to enter a price, fill in the address, hit Next Step, find the property on the map, hit Next Step, select I agree to the terms of use and that I have permission from the seller to list this property. Select the syndication feeds that are available to select. That's where you're going to get your leads from, and you're off to the races. Finish up your listing and you're ready to go. There's a bunch of places to get open listings. I like to hit up local rental communities, buildings, condos, condotels, any place where they need help getting a lot of units rented and or sold. I like to hit them up and ask them if they're realtor friendly. So I call around, I call all the rental communities I can find. I say, are you realtor friendly? And when they say yes, I ask them if I can advertise their vacant units for them or whatever they're trying to get listed, rented, or sold. And when they allow me to do that, I put those listings into My State MLS and I get leads from those listings. And it's a great way to start your business. Here's what an open listing looks like on the public search of My State MLS. It's a different kind of look. It stands out because it's got a big white bar and the agent's got a picture on the thumbnail. And when you click on it and you open the listing, you request more information. Of course, as always, all the leads on My State MLS are your listing, your lead. So if this is your listing, the lead goes directly to you.